This is waiting for a premiere on the computer. This is what happens when your video is about to premiere. Ooh, cool countdown. And here we go. There's Mama's movie. We are going to watch it in full screen. And there it is. So, I'm not going to make you watch the whole film on the computer because you can always go to the link and see it yourself. But this is a new video called Chasing Stuff. Hi, it's nice to meet you. I'm looking for my dog right now. Yes. Yes. Oh, are you speaking? Do you speak?
He actually speaks many different
languages.
Yes.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Farsi. Salam.
Salam.
Salam. حال شما چطوره؟
Well, you are just a beautiful boy. And you might be in one of the videos if it's okay with your mom and dad.
Sure, he's a star. He's 11 months old today.
Happy 11-month-old birthday. Yeah. You have got the cutest little face ever. Okay. We'll see you later. Hello there, Jeanine Michaels here, and I wanted to discuss an issue that I've been having over copyrights to my own music. Now, hi, close-ups. I'm not so sure I like those at my age, but I have tried to post videos using my own songs. I am a singer-songwriter, so I do write my own music and lyrics. This is a copy of my copyright from the Library of Congress. And it includes all the songs from my CDs that I post to YouTube and TikTok and other venues. Now, I have run, so you see, these are my songs. I am the sole copyright owner, and nobody else has a right to claim a copyright for a song that I spent my heart, soul, and time writing. So I would just like to make sure that it's very, very clear. The next time I try to post one of my own videos that contains my music, I don't run into these problems with copyright infringement issues. So, whoever's doing it, please cease and desist, as they say in legal terms. And I hope that you guys enjoy the videos I post, because, again, I share them with all my heart for you to enjoy. Okay, I'm going to try to post another one and see what happens. See you later. Enjoy your day.
No shoving, no biting, no pushing, no fighting. When are we gonna have fun?
Okay, I'm over here now and Frank is filming. Where are we, Frank?
Waiting around the world. Big Bear Lake.
But where?
On the boat.
And what are we doing?
We are just enjoying and talking.
Didn't we have lunch?
We had lunch. It was really good. We had BLT.
And wasn't Mama a great guy telling you we should tie up here instead of just drift?
Yeah.
He wanted to just drift on the way.
It did.
And I said, well, there's about 100 reasons why you can't do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just wanted to be together for a minute, so you saw who was behind the camera. But who's
Nobody is
making
behind
it?
the camera.
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, turn it off. It's amazing what you can get done in a year. Guess who's back on the lake? Our friends, the Pelicans. I love it when they take off and fly. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh.
Loving God with all my being, being truly in the minute, knowing everything has meaning, I will find a place within it. You will find a place within it. In these rooms we come to find a state of grace, some peace of mind, a higher power in a universe divine, my love. All of us are perfect in God's mind. Quite content to sit and listen, happy to be grateful to be here within another's heartbeat. I am the love you give to me. I am the life I give to you. In these rooms we come to find a state of grace, some peace of mind, a higher power in a universe divine, my love. All of us are perfect in God's mind. Feeling free to think your thoughts, for in the end they do create you. We have come to learn our lessons. Let the silence come be with you. Let your love become your greater